Hey everyone, so in this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to send large files using Google Drive with basically no limits. If you've ever hit those email attachment caps, yeah, this is the simplest workaround. All right, first step, just sign in to your Google account. Nothing fancy here. If you're already signed in, you can skip ahead. Next, head over to Google Drive. You can type Drive into the Google Apps menu or just go straight to the Drive homepage, whatever's quicker. Once you're in Drive, click New, then File Upload. Pick the file you want to share. Google Drive can handle files that are way bigger than what Gmail allows. We're talking gigabytes. Now, just let it upload. If the file is huge, yeah, it might take a bit. After it finishes, right-click the file and choose Get Link. This is where you remove the usual limits. Instead of attaching the file to an email, you're just sharing access to it. In the sharing window, switch the access to anyone with the link. That way, whoever needs the file can download it without signing in, unless you want to restrict it, Copy that link and paste it wherever you need. Email, chat, or a project folder. The file size won't matter anymore since Drive handles all the heavy lifting. And yeah, that's all it takes to send really large files with no limits using Google Drive. Super simple once you've done it once. If this helped, feel free to check out the other quick guides.